Hello, today we'd like to share with you guys Epic S100D, this model. Okay, this model from the box we can see there's a pin code features, there's access card features, there's alarm features, and I think we can have gas code. Okay, so the box basically is not very big. Okay, I can hold it like this. So let's start. So this is come with the pin numbers and the RF cards features. Okay, so remove the locks from the box. Okay, you will get a user manual. Okay, basically it teaches you the product descriptions and how to do the setting. There's a step-by-step teach you how to set the smart locks. Okay, and there's a installation guide showing you how to exactly assembly the smart lock to the door locks, and this is one-to-one installation guide drawing. Okay, so you can fold here and put it on the doors and measure the hole. Okay, quite simple from the installation diagram. Okay, next there's a protective film. Okay, you get the front body. Okay, you can see there's a protective protector on the screen itself, and you can remove it. Okay, this is the chrome finishings, and it's quite heavy as well. Okay, this is the aluminum alloy material, you can see from behind. Okay, this is the rubber protective to prevent the water not that easy to enter the internal. Okay, this is the wiring cable. There's quite long wire so that you can install for the door above 50 mm thickness. Okay, so we come to the back body. So the back body is quite simple. There's a button. Okay, this is suitable for left door and right door. You can just switch left and right. Okay, so this is the thumb turn that allowed the bolt to come out. Okay, and this is the outer lock sensor. Okay, this is the button. When you put in the battery, you can just switch lock and unlock the door by pressing the button. Okay, so this is the internal. Okay, remove the battery cover. You're required to put 4 alkaline AA battery, and then there's a register button here. Okay, most probably for you to do the setting. So this is most probably will fix on the frame itself and the bolt by going in this part. Okay, and you will get access card, IC size access card, and 2 key tag size. You will get 4 cards, screw accessories, brand new battery. Okay, basically this is the item that inside the box: front body, back body. Okay, you get 2 access key tag, 2 IC size access card, the battery, striker plate with the accessory, screw, the user manual, and also the installation guide. Okay, I already put in the battery and connect the front body and the back body, right? So most probably it's working right now. Okay, you can test the password. Okay, unlocked. Okay, so This is the button that you can unlock and lock. Okay. This is the 9V jump start battery. Okay, I just checked the spec. You can actually install for the door 35 mm minimum to 50 mm. And you don't worry, the product is import from Korea, but this is the international model where all the manual is in English. Okay, so you don't worry about the manual is in Korea. That one is the Korea version. Okay, so you can register the cards up to 200 RFID card, but you only have one password where here it's mentioned don't forget your PIN numbers. Okay.